ka nke a bụrụ ihe mụtanyere gị ọjazi Igbo ọ bụ na ị survive taa nke a ọgwa unu ajekọkwuru site onwuru kwuo onwe unu jaja ma onwuru sụga unu aṅụ anwụrụ ofu onye ga-aṅụ anwụrụ ofu onye ga-ese siga ofu onye ga-achụ nwaanyị ofu onye ga-akwa iko ofu onye ga-akpọ ụtaba ofu onye ga-aṅụ tramadol ị na-eme mmehie họrọgoro ofu mmehie mee so that ị na-ahịa Chukwu mgbaghara ka Chukwu ma ebe o si agbaghara gị ọ bụghị ịṅụọ nkwụ ịchụọ nwaanyị ịkwa iko ịṅụ anwụrụ ise siga arụrụ niile dị iche iche imechie tụọ asị dị n'ime ka a masị gị sọrị no jee ṅụkwa anwụrụ ịmaghị ebe a na-ere anwụrụ bịa ka ngosi ọnwụrụ ụkwale na anwụrụ bini ka ije ṅụọ anwụrụ nke ha na-adịkọtala na-agba tai ịṅụcha anwụrụ bịa ka ebe ikwo go mechin maọbụ keke maọbụ moto gị jegwoje kpọrọ onwe gị.
Yes, so Fracas Mofire, Fuka, We4We Media, we're right up in here. Yes, we're going to be talking about OJAZZY Bonile and the accident a few days ago. Yes, OJAZZY Bonile is a legendary Oja master. Na him be the Oja guy. We do Oja Ginger and Oja Piano for KC Limpopo. Yes, so now a young guy, he's about 20 or less. So, but he shot into fame after the release of Oja Piano and Oja Ginger. Before then, he was running with Igwe Credo. Igwe Credo was sort of managing him before they met KC, and then KC did the Oja Piano, Oja Ginger. A lot of people were dragging KC because when the song blew up, the Oja Piano went viral. People thought Igwe Credo and OJAZZY Igbo needed more compensation and should have been better compensated, but that's a different argument. But along the line, KC bought him a Corolla, Toyota Corolla, blessed him and all that, even though they fell off earlier with Igwe Credo, but OJAZZY Bonile stayed with KC and they bought him a Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla, he just got into an accident with it a few days ago. They said Saturday, yes, and I heard it flipped over like 4 or 5 times. Then, but to God be the glory, nothing happened. Everybody survived. I think one person was in the hospital as of yesterday, and Chukwu anye kelele for the survival of the people. But the major thing we're going to be talking about is JPAC's reaction to what's going on. JPAC, the popular Igbo influencer on Facebook, was sort of, people felt he was mocking the kid. He was talking about the kid being able to, that the kid was always high, that people should leave Burumeni Tramadol, Igbo combination. So he was basically trying to blame the accident on the OJAZZY Bonile and his crew, that they're always getting high. Let me advise my brother JPAC, Owu accident all many no nya the high. In fact, they won't only get high and more. Someone might get high all the time, but when they're not high, that's when an accident will occur. It doesn't mean that their highness of 3 days ago caused the accident of today. Accidents can happen to anybody, anytime. It's not only when you're high. So please, you were not a doctor. You didn't take his blood samples. You're not a police officer at the scene of the accident to determine accurately if he was high or not. So please, let's stay away from such comments. You know what I mean? I don't think they're healthy, especially for the Igbo nation, people trying to build themselves and bring themselves together. You can't be making such reckless claims, and then it makes it look like you're mocking the kid. And then Igwe Credo went on the comment section and commented, apparently supporting whatever narrative JPAC was trying to put out there, and I think that's wrong. Igwe Credo, being that he had been with OJAZZY Bonile in the past, and despite their little differences, the OJAZZY Igbo had remained very, 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 very respectful, to Igwe Credo. So I think he shouldn't have commented, especially if he had anything to say. It should always be positive. Even if it's not positive, you don't comment under such a seemingly vicious comment or post by JPAC, commenting on that post is wrong, because whatever you say that's not against what JPAC had said makes it look bad for you as a brand, Igwe Credo. That's my advice for you. So JPAC try to call OJAZZY Bodine, sympathize with him, make on a makeup. Here, you don't look for content or look for views over other people's demises. It's not right, That's up one now. But let's watch the OJAZZY Igbo total video.
We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derima. More fire. Fuka fuka fuka.